Want to know what body type men prefer? What is the first thing a man thinks when he looks at your body? There is a lot of pressure we put on our bodies and how we look. Most of this pressure comes from ourselves and comparing to other women. Every day, we look up to celebrities and artists with their amazing bikini bodies, wondering if we need to look like them to attract the guy we want? So ladies, here's the truth. This poll of 5,000 men all over the world revealed their deepest secrets about their favorite body types and the body parts that really turn them on. They rated female body shapes from worst to best, and now we will be showing you all of this. You'll learn exactly what men look for in a woman's body, and special ways to take advantage of this using fashion hacks for your body type. When you meet a man for the first time, he will look at your body. But here's the secret. Most guys will decide whether or not he likes you in the first 2 minutes of meeting you. There are certain things guys notice about you instantly, including your shoulders, neck, hips and belly. And ladies, the schocking part here is that what attracts a man to a woman first is not the size of these body parts. Instead, it's how they are shaped in relation to each other. That's why the best way to impress a guy in your first meeting is to dress in a way that emphasizes these parts of your body. Number 1. Your shoulders. Believe it or not, your shoulders can really change a man's first impression of you. Your shoulders are one of those little things guys notice about you, but will never tell you directly. In this poll, men consistently rated athletic girls as the perfect body shape. And what's the one thing all these girls have in common? They all had toned shoulders. Contrary to popular belief, guys do not like skinny girls. Instead, they are much more attracted to girls with the right curves in the right places. Number 2. Your neck. Another feature of the fit female body is a slim neck. This is also one of the first things a guy notices about you. Here's why. After making eye contact with you, he will begin to scan your body, starting from your head downwards. The size of your neck compared to your head will indicate to him how attractive you are. If it's too wide in comparison with your head, it will make you look heavy and unfit. On the other hand, if it is too skinny and bony, it will make your head look big and awkward. Number 3. Your hips. Nowadays, everybody is talking about curves. But what exactly are they? Curves on a woman refer to the shape of their body parts, and not just the size. Having an attractive body does not necessarily mean you have to be slim or light. In fact, the most important things are curves and proportion. An attractive female body is when all your body parts are shaped nicely, and sized properly compared to each other. This also explains the difference between thick and fat. Thick girls have nice curves and well-proportioned bodies, but they are not overweight. Number 4. Your stomach. Many girls don't understand how important the stomach waistline is for male attraction. Here's the truth. A bit of a belly is fine, as long as it fits the rest of your body. Our poll revealed most guys don't care if you have a belly, however, they do get turned off if it is sticking out too much. Having a waistline is one of the key differences, making it easy to distinguish between a man and a woman. Also, it means fertility, which on a biological level is what men are looking for. So what body type do guys like? Here are the poll results revealed. Most girls are focused on the wrong things when it comes to what he thinks about your body. In fact, it's not your weight or the size of any body part that matters. It's your overall curves and shapes that attract a man to you sexually. 5th place, the inverted triangle body. The inverted triangle body shape is the most misunderstood body type. Many women think it's unattractive, or even a huge turnoff. But our poll results show men don't mind this body shape, as long as you dress properly. This body shape is defined by a wide upper body including shoulders and breasts, but narrow and undefined hips. Because of this, it's important to dress to soften your shoulder line, and draw attention down to your hips and legs. To do this, wear fitted tops with a deep and narrow neckline, and extend past the hips. To widen your hips and lower body, choose flaring skirts and loose trousers or shorts. Despite all this, the inverted triangle was rated the least favorite by men in our poll, so it's very important to add more curves to your hips with targeted exercises. 4th place, the apple-shaped body. The apple-shaped body is what many women naturally have. It features a full upper body, but with weak curves in the hips and waist. Despite having a decent bust, men tended to rate this body shape as average and not that special. That's because it lacks the right curves in the right places. The fullness of this body shape in the midsection also means it is not easy to dress for this body type. A flowy, loose-fit top is usually recommended. However, the best solution would be to tighten the midsection through exercise. Third place, the pear-shaped body. The pear shape is a healthy body shape. In fact, it's what people usually mean when they talk about curvy fit. It features wide and pronounced hips, but a narrow upper body and waist. The men in our poll found the pear-shaped body attractive. They particularly enjoy the pear shape with a tight-fitting mini skirts and tops with wide necklines. This is the type of body men begin to notice, especially when they can see the curves in your figure. That's because your wide hips can really catch their attention. Second place, the hourglass body. Every man agrees, the hourglass shape creates instant attraction. This body shape features a wide upper body and equally wide hips, but a narrow waist. There are many reasons why men consistently rated the hourglass higher than the pear. For example, guys felt the hourglass was more balanced and curvy. It also made the woman look younger and fitter. In fact, scientists believe the hourglass is attractive because it shows good potential for childbearing. That's why men find it irresistible. Obviously, we are not all born with this body, but we can dress in a way to balance out a little more the top or bottom, depending on the shape you are. First place, the yoga body. The results of our poll were clear. The most attractive female body shape is the yoga body. It combines all the things a man looks for in a woman's body: perfectly shaped curves and proportioned body parts. All the key body parts are perfectly sized in relation to each other, including the hips, shoulders, legs and belly. From celebrities and singers to athletes and actresses, the yoga body is extremely attractive to guys. This is the type of body that makes you look good in any outfit, with or without makeup. Don't forget that the physical aspect only takes you so far. Real attraction is psychological, it happens in the mind. As long as you can make him to love you psychologically, it doesn't matter what you look like. It doesn't matter which body shape you have. If you take care of yourself, dress nice, be confident, you will steal his heart.